The Instagram algorithm and how to never worry about it again. How does the Instagram algorithm work? Businesses and marketers need to know how it operates to get the best reach and engagement from this platform. This guide covers the details of the algorithm as well as specific strategies to align with it for better reach, visibility, and engagement with your audience. Let's understand how the Instagram algorithm works. Instagram doesn't just rely on one algorithm, but on several separate systems built to operate on its various parts: the feed, stories, explore, reels, and IGTV. Whatever their differences, they all have the same goal: providing content to keep users engaged. Factors influencing the algorithm include interest. Posts you've liked in the past are given priority. Timeliness. More recent content is generally better, although older posts may still appear. Relationship. You're more likely to see accounts you frequently engage with in your feed. Frequency. Regular users see more chronological content, while infrequent users see highlights. Following. Following more accounts increases feed space competition. Usage. The longer the session, the greater the range of content seen. The shorter, the more prioritization of top posts. What makes the algorithm more likely to shift? The algorithm shifts based on the type of content. Feed posts, ranked mostly by relevance, recency, and engagement factors, likes, comments, and more. Stories, accounts you engage with most frequently get top billing. Explore page, displays content from non-followed accounts based on user preferences. Reels, amplifies entertaining and shareable content, often showcasing popular posts from any account. IGTV, videos with high completion rates get priority, indicating quality and relevance. How to collaborate with the algorithm. Here are some strategies to optimize your Instagram presence. Create engaging content. The algorithm prioritizes relevance. Ask questions, use calls to action, and post meaningful content for your audience. Post regularly. A more active account appears more relevant. Use a content calendar to define a consistent posting schedule. Incorporate hashtags. Strategically, a mix of popular, niche, and branded hashtags increases exposure while staying aligned with your message. Use Instagram stories, polls, quizzes, and behind-the-scenes content boost daily interaction and make your brand relatable. Emphasize reels and explore. Create short, shareable videos for reels and visually appealing posts for the explore page to reach new audiences. Encourage saves and shares. Offer valuable content like tips or guides that users want to save or share, signaling high quality to the algorithm. Interact. Encourage comments, likes, and discussions to foster active engagement with followers. Mix it up. Experiment with different content formats, photos, videos, carousels, etc., to see what resonates best. Analyze. Use Instagram Insights to monitor performance and adjust your strategy based on metrics like reach and engagement. Stay informed. Follow Instagram's official accounts and industry reports to stay updated on algorithm changes and strategy adjustments. Myths about algorithms debunked. Myth: Instagram doesn't show my posts. The algorithm doesn't hide posts. Enhance visibility through higher engagement. Myth: posting regularly decreases visibility. Frequent posting doesn't harm visibility if your content provides value. Myth: lower reach for business accounts. Reach depends on relevance and engagement, not account type. Business accounts offer tools like Insights to improve performance. Myth: the shadow ban exists. While shadow banning isn't an official term, using incorrect hashtags or breaking rules can reduce visibility. Now, a conclusion: working in partnership with the algorithm. There's no trick to success on Instagram. It's not about gaming the algorithm, but creating content that speaks to your audience. Building a community around your brand requires engagement, quality, and authenticity. Partnering with the algorithm helps increase your reach and fosters real conversations. As you refine your Instagram strategy, remain flexible and focus on high-impact activities. In the next chapter, we'll explore advanced tactics to engage your audience and maximize your outcomes further.